Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another press-on nails from Temu. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I got these short square nails from Temu, and they come in different colors. I'm just gonna try them out. I'll start by prepping my nails. I'll come in with my file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a little bit of nail glue and put it on my natural nails. I'll push it down into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. After which I'll shape them up with my file. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. We are, if you're in a hurry, you don't have time for nail polish, you can try these easy press on nails. They come in different colors, so you don't need to paint your nails. So here we are. I hope I did help you. Are you going to give these press on nails a try? If you do, let me know how they come out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.